Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and healthy lunch. Let's go! If you're working from home, this is a good one. Okay guys, we need chicken, 6 thigh fillets, black pepper half a tablespoon, chili powder 1 tablespoon, salt as you wish, and then vinegar 1.5 tablespoon. Let's marinate the chicken. Actually, I did it the night before. Let's do it. Also add half a tablespoon of ginger and half a tablespoon of garlic powder. Let's mix well. I put chicken in a bag and kept in the freezer overnight. Beat 2 eggs. We need breadcrumbs as well. Make sure to thaw your chicken before you cook it. Let's prepare the chicken to cook. Today I'm using the air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, you can cook it on the stove or in the oven. Also, I want to recommend an awesome cooking channel, Sally's Kitchen Cookups. Just have a look. Okay, our chicken is ready. Let's cook it. Remember to adjust the time and the temperature according to the quantities of the chicken. 180 degrees for 15 minutes, but I had to cook for another 5 minutes. Until it's cooked, let's go and get some parsley from my garden. That's our Ringo barking at the helicopter. Try to grow your herbs in your backyard. It's so much fun. Let's see what we need for our salad. So I took 2 carrots, 1 tomato, 1 red apple, red cabbage and capsicum, and some parsley and some lettuce. The quantities you can take how much you like. Our chicken is ready. It's perfectly cooked. Add some salt and mayonnaise. Mix well. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please stay safe and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.